Hello, this is Mr. BNSF Train and welcome to Trains Around Kansas City, April 9th, 2017 and April 14th, 2017. On April 9th, I went to Argentine Yard to try to find the Wabash Heritage engine. At the east end of the yard was a container train with 3807 being the second locomotive, an ET44C4. The lead engine was 7196, an ES44C4 built in early 2015. I haven't seen this livery of Autorack in a while. An articulated auto carrier with the words Automax on the side. For many years, the yard has a couple of old Burlington Northern containers. Here at mid-yard, you can see two engines in Santa Fe yellow and a war bonnet. In this view, you can also see a former Burlington Northern caboose and another Santa Fe war bonnet wide nose engine. 1783 and 1830 are both former Burlington Northern SD40-2 locomotives. 1783 was built in 1978 as Burlington Northern 7038, and 1830 was built in 1974 as Burlington Northern 6382. At the end of the container train shown earlier is City Rail 1337, built in late 2013. Also at the end of the fueling area was an unidentified Dash 9. On the other side of the bridge is a Kansas City Southern ES44 and 3 Norfolk Southern locomotives. I also saw a Chicago Northwestern auto carrier, which is rather rare. 4497 and War Bonnet 642 are both C44-9Ws. 4497 was built in 1999. 642 was built in 1994 and it retains its original Santa Fe number. 2942 is a GP39-2 built in 1979 as Santa Fe 3686. This was the first time I've seen a CDN logistics trailer on an intermodal train. 3999 is an ET44C4 built in May 2016. 3964 is also an ET44C4 built in April 2016. 2734 is a GP39-2. Built in 1981 for the Burlington Northern with the same number. Kansas City Southern 4888 is an ES44AC locomotive. I then went on top of the bridge to try to see if I could see the top of Wabash 1070, but I didn't. But I did manage to see GECX 2025, an ET44AC. 2025 was built in mid-2014 as a road demonstrator for the Tier 4 ES44s. I also saw a CSX AC4400 and ES44 roll by. The other engines in the yard were basically BNSF ES44 Jeeps and a Union Pacific ES44, as well as an SD70 ACE and the engines shown previously. 4543 and 4892 are both C44-9Ws, built between late 1998 and early 1999. Behind the two Dash 9s is number 261, an SD75M built in 1996 as 8261. On my way to find the Wabash Heritage engine further down the line, I saw a Santa Fe caboose in the siding. The next few shots are of 7196 and 3807 pulling a container train down the line as I did not find the Wabash Heritage engine. So unfortunately, I did not get to see the Wabash Heritage engine in person. 1 week later, a friend was driving by Argentine Yard and saw NS 8104, the Lehigh Valley Heritage engine, so I took my opportunity and went down there. This was the first time I've seen an NS Heritage engine in person. NS 9430 was leading 8104 and is a C44-9W, which was sitting next to CSX 5263, an ES40DC built in 2005 as an ES44DC. NS 8104 is an ES44AC built in February 2012 and wore the Lehigh Valley Heritage paint since day one. '8104 was pulling a string of Western Railroad Company straight hopper cars. The Western Railroad Company is a 1.9-mile short-line railroad based in Dittlinger, Texas. It is owned by the Cemex Quarry and Cement Company. The same caboose from last week was still here. It is number 12615 and has been assigned to Kansas City area operations for 11 years. To the left is number 1350, an SD32 Eco, which was built in 1972 as Santa Fe 5628, an SD45-2, and it has been assigned to Kansas City work for 4 years. NSF 7458 is an ES44DC, while 3186 is an ES44AH. I didn't take any other pictures on the 14th because it was the same as the 9th. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.